Hello everyone, welcome back to Abhay Codes. So today we are going to solve one question from Geeks for Geeks named nCr, which is the binomial coefficient formula. So in the previous video, tried to solve this question using multiplicative method. However, there is also another method where we can solve this question easily, and that also without any flaw, and also ensuring that all the test cases will be passed successfully. And the method which I am going to solve right now is none other than using dynamic programming. Here we will use Pascal's triangle, which is an application of dynamic programming to solve this code. So in case if you want to know more about this question, you can click on the I button where I had already shown about how to solve this code using multiplicative formula. And also I explained about this question in this video itself. So without wasting any more time, let's start solving this question using Pascal's triangle. So voila, this code has been solved using dynamic programming as well without any flaw, and therefore all the test cases have been executed successfully. Therefore, that's it. Hope you learned something new in this video. Kindly share your thoughts in the comments whether whether is there any process through which order discussion can be passed as well. I would like to hear from you guys, and I would love to learn and grow with you. So I'm signing off. Thank you.